Mr. Speaker, last year's presidential election was the first in 50 years without the full protections of the Voting Rights Act. What was the result? 14 states had new voting restrictions, including strict voter ID, cuts to same-day registration and early voting, and fewer polling places. This suppressed the vote, particularly among voters of color and in poor communities, and had a major impact in close races in North Carolina, Virginia, and Florida, according to the Brennan Center for Justice. The Voting Rights Act once enjoyed bipartisan support, and Congress should once again come together to modernize the law and respond to the Supreme Court's objections. Yet, despite calls to pass legislation for the past 4 years, nothing has happened. Voting is a right, not a privilege, and there's no debating that point. The founders in Philadelphia, women at Seneca Falls, and marchers in Selma all recognize the power of the vote. When we protect the rights of voters to make their choices, whatever they may be, we do our part to build a more perfect union. We can't wait for the next election. Congress must restore the full protections of the Voting Rights Act now. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.